Honey, all my cards are showing. You don't have the will to stay. And I don't have a bed of roses. And I can't control the rain. But I got your favorite wine. I got that record spinning. I got an empty bed that wants you in it. There's no need for leaving. Stay here with me. We can hide until the thunder is gone. Girlie, kiss by, but don't say goodbye before we go and sing our song. Am I crazy that I wanna light this flame, maybe make you change your mind? Baby, take my hand, I know it's a deep end. I'll keep you from sinking. There's no need for leaving. There's an ounce of love within. Baby, we can make it last. I get drunk on you till morning. We can burn, but we won't crash. Why don't we just strike that match? 'Cause there's no need for leaving. Stay here with me. We can hide until the thunder is gone. Girlie, kiss by, but don't say goodbye before we go and sing our song. Am I crazy that I wanna light this flame, maybe make you change your mind? Baby, take my hand, I know it's a deep end. I'll keep you from sinking. There's no need for leaving. I got your favorite wine. I got that record spinning. And I got an empty bed that wants you in it. Am I crazy that I wanna light this flame, maybe make you change your mind? Baby, take my hand, I know it's a deep end. I'll keep you from sinking. There's no need for leaving. I know it's a deep end. I'll keep you from sinking. There's no need for leaving.
Let's learn No Need for Leaving. It's choreographed by Darren Bailey. It is a 48 count, 2-wall, easy intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. And then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of a dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn No Need for Leaving. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to quickly step our right next to our left and cross your left over your right. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. Make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder. And as we step with our right, we want to step this right next to your left and then sweep your left from front to back. You're now going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're stepping with your right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. your left foot to the left side and recover onto your right. You're back at 12 o'clock. We're now going to cross our left behind our right. Step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we drag our right toe into our left to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our behind side cross. You're going to do your side together. So it's and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, quickly stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock, and you're going to touch your left toe behind your right. You want to use the ball of your left foot, and we're going to slightly bend our knees. You're now going to unwind a 3/4 turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, and as we recover back, you're going to sweep your right from front to back, and then we're going to do an anchor sweep. So you're going to step your right foot behind your left, recover onto your left foot, step down onto your right, and sweep your left from front to back. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our quarter toe drag, so you're doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we're going to do an anchor. So you're going to step your left foot behind your right, recover onto your right foot, and step down onto your left. We're going to do a coaster hitch. So you're going to step your right foot back, left together, step forward with your right, and hitch your left knee up. We're now going to run forward. You can also make this a boogie run if you would like. So we're going to step left, right, left. If you would like to make it a boogie run, you're going to make sure that your hips and your knees follow your steps. So you'll go left, right, left. And you just kind of want to bend and have everything go with your steps. To end this section, we are going to do a cross side 8. So you're going to cross your right over your left. Step your left foot to the left side, and we're going to make an 8th return over our right shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 10:30. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sweep. You're going to do your anchor. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 5, we're going to touch our left toe back. We're going to do a body roll. So we're going to start from our head and our shoulders. You're going to roll forward and then back, putting your weight onto your left foot, and then you're going to step back with your right. We're now going to rock with our left foot. We're going to rock back, and we're going to start a half turn, turning over your left shoulder, and you're going to finish it as you recover back onto your right foot to face 4:30, and then step back with your left. We're now going to do that same exact thing, but with our right side. So you're going to touch your right toe back. We're going to do a body roll from our head and our shoulders. You're going to roll forward and then back, putting your weight onto your right foot, and then step your left foot back. We're now going to rock back with our right foot, and as you rock back, you're going to start a half turn over your right shoulder, and you're going to finish it as you recover onto your left foot to face 10:30. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our cross side back. You're going to do your body roll. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 6 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do back, touch, back. And when you do this, you want to slightly bend your knees, and you're thinking your knees are going out, in, out, as you do this back, touch, back. So we're stepping our right foot back. You're going to touch your left next to your right, and then step back with your left. You're still into the 10:30 diagonal. We're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left together, right forward. We're going to make an 8th of return over our right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side and touching your right toe behind your left. You want to be kind of pressed into the floor. We're now back at 12 o'clock, and we're going to do a slow unwind over our right shoulder, keeping our weight on our left foot to come to 6 o'clock so that you can start over again. And when you do this, you want to make it nice and slow, and you want to kind of slightly straighten your knees as you do it, but make sure you're keeping your weight on your left because we're going to step with our right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our body roll. You're going to do your back touch back. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to start over again. Walk, quarter. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're stepping forward with our right. So it's forward, quarter together, cross, quarter, half, half, sweep, behind, side, cross, side together, cross, prep, quarter, half, quarter, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, quarter, toe drag, walk, walk, quarter, touch behind, 3/4 unwind, rock, recover, sweep, anchor, step, sweep, anchor, step, coaster, step, hitch, boogie, run, cross, side, 8 back, now it's your toe back, body roll, ball, half rock, recover, ball, touch back, body roll, ball, half rock, recover, back, touch, back, coaster, step, 8 behind, and your slow unwind. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your step forward, so it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, you don't have to worry about an ending. The dance ends facing 12 o'clock on your unwind. All I did was step to the side so I was in a comfortable position, but you're ending facing 12 o'clock on the end of that 48 counts. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our step forward. So it's forward, quarter together, cross, quarter, half, half, sweep, behind, side, cross, side together, cross, quarter, half, quarter, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, quarter, toe drag, walk, walk, quarter, touch behind, 3/4 unwind, rock, recover, sweep, anchor, coaster, step, hitch, boogie, run, cross, side, 8 back. Now it's your back touch with your body, roll, ball, rock, half, recover, ball, touch back, body, roll, ball, half, rock, recover, back, touch, back, coaster, step, 8, touch, slow unwind, step forward, it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, forward, quarter together, cross, quarter, half, half, sweep, behind, side, cross, side together, cross, quarter, half, quarter, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, quarter, toe drag, walk, walk, quarter, touch behind, 3/4 unwind, rock, recover, sweep, anchor, step, coaster, step, hitch, run, cross, side, 8 back, now it's touch back, body, roll, ball, half, rock, recover, ball, body, roll, ball, rock, half, recover, back, touch, back, coaster, step, 8, touch behind, and your slow half unwind, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn No Need for Leaving. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Lay all my cards and show